Previously on Ghetto Love.
If Monday crime started.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I want to start.
Wow.
Amanda, let me chip in. Sister, shedding what? Hey, yeah, but sometimes that means soon. Don't be worrying. Also, sometimes some penny quasi a reho comes soon. No, Papa no so nyade be saba come back baby. So I remember my father. Dari, come back. Come up say weekends we anka wonya hwe no. Echima be fa na nka ape baby atran kakra na nka achechecheche nyina ye ho re.
No problem.
What about say how dear? Oh.
I don't forget the last night in the bar. I don't mean kind of the tall guy was
Joseph.
Right. I mean, the last time he came here. Yeah, he came here alone.
He what?
No, he did. Obai. And
when?
Yeah, so call ni papa na so they were around now far hachia man. And then we had a conversation. It was a beautiful conversation. Or say weekend. Nka obeba fi na wabefa me na yakome papa na so ne yakono so dear. So I mean, just to try and console each other, that kind of.
You don't mean it.
Oh yeah.
He came here.
Oh, last week. And I mean, since then, maintain and cambium. So I don't have his number to even call to check out. I don't tell my friend. It's nothing now. Would you make a too?
And nothing now to me for too much bra. Oh, seriously, you scared me.
But how did I sound?
You were sounding as if something is happening to you.
Oh, babe, stop. Nothing. I mean, meaning a number to my friend, and no sure. It's been almost since I call 1 week. Maintaining can I'm saying, wow, then I buy and come in front, maybe so I say, what ten and can I say, what is going on? I mean,
Wait, Frema.
I'm under Jason. No.
Wait. You called me here because of Joseph.
Yes, basically.
Okay, so what's up? What's up with you? What's up with Joseph?
Nothing. No. Hey, che. And you baby, why didn't I know? No. Come on. It's not what you're thinking. Oba, I work with my time. I'll take a weekend. Mrs. Saturday, Sunday, I'm home. Also, a banana, a PA, that kind of thing, just to try to get to know each other, that kind of.
Madam, obviously, Obebana wa PA na Obebana wa nene PA na wamba.
Me nene number, Hey, Amanda.
Yes, of course, because Obi about say, okay, my friend say, okay, me new be P. Me puna me wa down for no. I don't think I owe you an explanation to you. I didn't know open him.
Chairman, the Hiane say, have you heard from him?
No, ma. I've not heard from him.
You're a liar.
Oh no, I haven't.
Why? I was just curious. What's going on?
No, I haven't. Also, I can't just say old school. I don't even know where he lives. But I think for his contact, I don't have it now.
Right.
But I think I can do something about it. I know somewhere that he's always there. And I could get in.
He seems like a cool guy. And maybe I mean, we could just go hang out, that kind of. In Drew's level now, I join and I'm saying, yeah. I said, come on.
Okay, ma. Anyway, I know Joseph. He's a good guy. Joseph, they'll be happy. Like, obeying the pet, you will like him.
I know he has something. He has a beautiful aura.
He's a very good person.
Right.
Joseph, yeah. So I will try my best and then get
Please do.
his contact.
Let's go eat
But I'm
lunch.
angry at it. Joseph eating our
Oh my John. Oh.
Yeah.
Me no rice. Rice.
Only time in rice, maybe rice.
Family.
Aí, Amar. Santiago.
ABABIO. Aí muna cho saglu.
Saglu oh. Wala no shan tabudani mo abisi ona.
Anze mitisi okoesi.
Ah.
Onu ni adion. Ba also one na nanti achepa.
Ya na wende. Anya ni sa. As a ghetto life na bra this time you know. Hey, it's time we say more deal.
Ai. Didn't do banuma.
Hey.
Fetch but is here now. What is it?
I said I'm seeing the truck crabber. Oh yeah.
Baba.
Oh yeah. What's the emergency? What anymore? I can't anymore boys in the baby.
Let me have to wait. Yeah, to
I can't you say I can't anymore. Old senior matter. Boys we know my baby. I can't be out there around it.
Fashion me as in common. So only pan.
Yeah.
I woke up professors of an no uncle. That's in for here was them wash. Let's go for money Jimmy dear.
Oh soon.
They will feel from me giddy. Oh, why? Also was over funny.
So that's now over grandma. Now come and share on in America. Ubi no wa say Juma feed him you pia wa come out to
so see I been up
the far red and inside of my view. Bonasina. Yeah, I see how you're there.
This how bending was also way out because or complaining.
If you come on. If you want you come on man.
No other houses now.
Sir?
Shit, properties all warm. See, I'm not going to be inside until so you want.
Be enriching, baby. You will did ye. No, so I'm so sorry. I am in Pesa, Pesa, Obesumi, money a day. No, oh, baby, I'm here. So when I was ABC. Hey, get to guess. Get boys, you know.
This also you want now money different dates.
So now wow.
Say me the one say money dey ma shisha to no mo see no. You want also ma on anya tie dia wo. Now make sure say feel comfortable around you. Me dey me da go. No matter what, everything be on obes. Here ni be am no be discuss the first answer. It is no the other two be no the too many, the too many mama so say me share you nice. So what you say?
This is here no. This is here end day.
This am no so kon na ko hu.
Meko na hey. Say the fee ho see here come on. Hey.
Ska de bo ho.
Ska ho. You should make me kiss you say. Mean this just say. Me yes. Oh the high kwa.
Yeah, well. I only hope is uncle for Kenya.
Amanda.
Ejuma ye medie no na me ya.
Amanda. Only ko sembe na okansa. Amanda na wo meme na won tam kise wo. Ko makacha me ma me say you a yensie you.
Exactly. Was until we
ye dada ka mu nyina na ye wo ye.
Until we ya.
Na wo janti you ka dia ka.
Na me na dem ma o Jimmy and mas hard ba dem pen kwasas.
Na we dey say ye dwuma bi. Nya ye kaka ni nya de pewia akọ bi ehun ebi.
Exactly.
Ye ko ye ba bi.
But also o transem so na man ko sharp.
Oh me mensuru. Say no an de na no akamato me da akọ. Na no na akọ me kofa na obehu sa say me cheap bi so. Je no dey see ye ne ye.
Na cheap. No so ama yeah, no so ama upgrade you like this.
Yeah. What you bo na no? Kala. You rough you.
My baby 20.
What time pa?
Yeah, you want first.
20.
Ah, who pio tu punu nim?
20. Nana 20 akati.
Kala.
Sa.
Ene Rebecca sa. Why?
Answer.
Ah, bra. What can I say what me card
Ah. What you tell you me show sa?
Who me ni na?
Me.
Na no bo red na wa yam na ntimi nkona.
I catch us when near flat or you papa.
Me. The laugh and engaging I'm a sword and I'm a shoe kakra. For 100 man.
What a radio about it.
It's soon be 59 1.5.
What do you know? Damn, but killer. My own movie, why? Me,
And then my big killer.
never blow me the
What the can what you
Who the bitch you? I'm the same couple. No,
and a couple
Bobo,
Sikasa de couple.
you are that bed that the baby was. Oh, you have coffee and I can't get to her.
And also I jump French boys and the pan to make a major. They told I own French boy what I doubt.
And to make what kind of minute
Yes, guy. Not what you want to tell how.
Hey, the friend say,
The phone wouldn't red.
Red.
On walk with so busy beam. Who the charache.
Yeah.
So this is something for the agro. Tell you so bad. And me so back with the unit to me, you watch them pa.
But so say I'm for our
When they are about, we want to do anything.
Oh, yes, I got them too. And that's why I got them say that. I'm fat. Second them see nobody else or being one, so I mean, all that stuff.
What is that, boy? Ah, boy, this song. Kai, when you red, Kai, Fama Omo, when you know, Kai, a fat.
I'm a little bit.
Friend. I'm happy to see you.
Oh, that's nice.
What makes sense? When I'm crying, cool.
That diary, not you.
Akwaba.
Yeah, maybe.
Na only some go for party.
Oh, why not?
No, be a menu up, Bamini Wakasa, or Baby Family Pure Weekend. Man, don't can be.
Oh, fetch me, and your man. You said I'm a year one of two being near dating, you know, and my problem kakra me time, you know, and I'm a side training at the home. See, I don't know, my cassette. Me know a copper performing na so ye kwa hani abaha. Esa creature we hope be pray.
And no cry there.
So
And no cry there. No
but
cry.
pie die and worry. Me to vepi. I won't say na timi afok up there but me worry.
I wonder if I should say, me show.
Oh yeah.
I like how it's
That's you. Hello, Dari. Minyabi. I still minyabi. I still scanner. Scanner anti that. Me patrol. Odi me wo baby kakra. Be free wa. Since it's SSR amount to na me de but as minyabi. E chama ase na mana pressure na ade. Anti that me fro. Why? Okay, bye. Wait a minute.
Oh, that's fine. That's Oh, Papa.
Ah, yeah, me Papa, yeah.
And also here's
And also, yes, but I say, my trial, and I mean, many days can be so, but I said, I can't fuck up, Kakra.
And your Papa, no well calling Naso Nene or air calling Naso Dembian. Your Papa.
Oh, yeah, we are me Papa now. Oh, you know, only dear, they will take care of the money, you know. Dear, and dad.
Dari. I got confused.
Deny Papa, deny Pia, and you know, only one on the share so.
Matthias.
Not.
But I hope so. Be okay, dear.
Oh, BPI, okay, but amount to be nice, and the man on the say, we crocodile make a be, but I call him and sent me, and it's all fresh from his son. Yeah.
What do you mean?
Okay.
Oh, maybe I might just few minutes. Sorry. Oh, Joseph. Wait, I don't know what you have to solve, but also no. Piena ibe pieno. Me senka GHETTO na se obeto ne marketing kiti bi eden it's enough into no. Obetimi anya kakra de aye. Yeah, what's all day?
Oh, Debbie. Oh.
I made Debbie. Me and Miss J. Don't be Sammy. Debbie.
Oh, Debbie.
Joseph.
Debbie, sister.
Joseph.
Oh.
Me. Debbie, no, don't start. Please don't start. Joseph, don't start. Listen, look at me. Listen. No, leave Daddy. No, listen, leave Daddy. What you say? The way we know the audio manenko. But once I'm here, I would support you in anything that you need. And how cry? What you say?
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh. And you miss her going kakra.
What you say? But we are going out. You know we have a date, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you can, I mean, get a few tops and down one. Let's say, maybe I'll be feeling comfortable with something nice. What you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. No, Mr.
What you say?
For me, away.
Oh, on the number chair, baby. Cry.
No.
Aye. On the number chair, baby. On the old friend is having
For me, yeah.
Aye. That's it. If you need anything, just go ahead. That's it.
Oh, hello. I'm just saying hello to you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Oh, just say.
Y'all like a fine nigga spirit. And to my heart you have no limit. So in there in my heart you are one with no DJ.
Where are you? Right here. There you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh boy. Okay. So Joseph, what do you know about him? Amanda, I don't even listen. Just stop looking at me like that. What?
Anyway, Joseph there, I just saw my old school friend.
Right.
And a cool guy, very calm, jovial. Onye basa. Very cool. On fiki. He's real, like.
Yeah, you could tell.
Guys, he's a real guy.
Really?
He's a real guy.
And on your ceremony girl.
No.
You kidding me?
Joseph. On the school time, that girl, we want a broken heart too. They fit her. What do you know? No, to not count about 7. You want to be.
Papa Penny, sir.
I'm telling you. No, how can you say you like? No, wait. Is it? Wait. No way. Is it what I'm thinking?
Okay, so I kind of think we're getting along so well. And I mean, Sebi Mitiho, you say I'm single. And at least when you're a man, you need that form, let's say. Or not to near my say or you're caring and all that. I don't need a man with money. Do you get it? I don't need me here bemo Oscar. I mean I have it. Do you get it? And you know, I don't know.
You don't know. I don't know. Are you sure about what I'm saying? Is it what I'm thinking?
What you're thinking?
Yeah. Oh my God! Someone's in love. Oh, I'm so happy for you.
I think I like his ways. Like that's all. Yeah.
Joseph there, when you get closer to him, you will like him. Joseph will be up and I said, when you're buying the pay, you will like him. Now, I don't even know how he will accept this because Joseph, somebody.
Now, what do you say? What nene kasa?
Two adults here, anyway. I'll try and put a word inside.
But then, I mean, conversation. I don't know if he's okay. But
he's a nice guy. I'm sure. I don't know how he will take this, but I'll try and convince him. I'll try my best. I promise.
Don't tell him I said. And you did that, say, me say.
And I said
now, madam. Oh, and you did that. But we could see where it goes. Don't be silly. I will say one.
Oh.
Love is a beautiful thing. Ah.
I'm listening. I'm all ears.
Okay,
Then I'm sure you're winning some. What can I say?
so you want to say?
I am listening.
So, Amanda, I mean, me and Joseph appear quite some couple of times, and yesterday night we went out, and he proposed to me. I accepted until officially. Before I wanted to let you know we are seeing each other. Yeah.
Wow. He did what?
He proposed, yeah.
Wow. Wow. I'm happy for you. I know you deserve it. You need the money in your life. I'm really, really happy for you.
Thank you.
But Papa, that's all my no. I was there. Oh. And my mother couldn't influence him.
I know, but unsays, you know, my baby and 20 me fear has shall said first now, banana. So,
Wait, excuse me.
oh, and you're a buffo, so, but I won't say, until me my fear has shall said first now, by all the time, piano. With your break,
Hey, wow.
yeah, but in your buffo.
Also, it's your break. I see. What do you want to catch him 70 break with you? Oh, wow. And then you're blushing.
No, I mean,
Oh, wow.
no, I asked him to move in.
Let me be fair because you were alone and all that, you understand. So when you're more bravo, no, I'll be visiting you, but
Be like that.
I don't understand you. And to you guys, congratulations. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I saw you okay, dear.
Oh, yes, I'm fine. I'm really happy that you are in her life now.
That is the daddy of the house right now.
Yeah.
I'm the control of this house.
Right.
I'm the controller.
Bema Befi.
So never man I will fear.
Bema Nini. Untimere na han share ni wanti to betia. Gotcha no. And I'm too short. I just say, nah, I don't like this one. Change it. Yeah. Yeah. Bema no.
Hey, no matter that you do caliber.
Bema no. And I like the fact that he takes charge. Yeah.
I see.
Me am Bema otia me.
Anyway, remember about my sister. Remember your whole long story. And if I'm busy, who know who relationship man. See, I what forget to what down for piano. I don't want you and I think our casual best friend.
I won't do that.
And yes,
I won't do that.
Anyway, they're not my friend.
So baby. Also, Bayana.
but you buy a crack. Why?
Tena so prepare.
Oh, my pen, I'm pepping.
That's it. Okay.
Now, I am quite cacra, yes, in Chama, but me like soup.
Okay.
Not
Like,
beef cacra.
okay.
Why?
Me ma family na o pese me anu.
Familiar no. Everyone no.
Said I know.
But who the why? Somewhere I don't bit my river.
Matty.
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay.
Let's go.
Go away.
My husband wants to eat.
I'm waiting for you.
What the quadro?
I can't just say
I don't know down from there. Wow.
Maybe I'll be back. Yeah.
It's no crying and a criminal. Ah.
Yeah, the one of the others. Pop when each me. It's one day to our no.
Last bit. Ooh.
Love.
Tia me ba.
Love.
You do.
Love. Moi. Mais Johnson bien wa. Quick, shabo.
Pardon.
Praising. Okay, so I'm not here. I need to one praising. Therefore, I said, man, say you like whatever she does. Hey, would you be a smart one? Yes, say.
Amanda.
Grandma.
Oh my God.
Maybe. Okay, cheese.
May I try some way now? I don't know.
Maybe.
Call.
Okay, James, mommy. Oh, Pama, me fair. Okay, next one.
Get to them. Yeah. See, Kumia, why didn't you be trading in?
Next on Ghetto Love.
Ninja, Simsa. I mean, but what do you mean, Cusco?
Me take my come say you are not a bad person.
Sorry for disturbing you. Why you be that?
Oh no.
When you red?
Blackie don't even
Make out red and draw red.
I'm not going away, and then you crowd. And you just say, and Tinny, and you be what
You too.
Cause me.
I direct swag one day. Tell me know that the fierce light in a Ghana. Me I link up with some girl them. She change my life and spec it up for me. Me can't make the girl them move out for my life, you know. We are good here and well love. You see me? Almighty, I don't know inspiration.